Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a quadratic equation problem. As per the problem, write a quadratic equation whose roots are x equals 14 plus minus square root of 140 over 4. We can write the quadratic equation for the given roots in standard form. The general equation in standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. We put 0 on the right side of this equation because in order to find roots of a quadratic equation, it should be set equal to 0. We have to find the values of a, b and c for the quadratic equation that has the given roots. As you may know, we use quadratic formula to find the roots of a quadratic equation. The quadratic formula is negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. As you can see, the quadratic formula is based on the values of a, b and c. We can use this quadratic formula and the given roots to find the values of a, b and c. We can compare the terms in the quadratic formula and in the given roots to find the values of a, b and c. As you can see, the given roots are in quadratic formula setup. So we can compare the terms in the quadratic formula and the given roots to find the values of a, b and c. As per the comparison, we can see that the value of negative b is equal to 14. So we get negative b is equal to 14. We can change negative b to positive b by dividing both sides by negative 1. So b is equal to negative 14. Next, we can find the value of a by comparing the denominators of the quadratic formula and the given roots. As per the comparison, 2a should be equal to 4. We can find the value of a by dividing both sides by 2. I get a equals 2. Next, we can find the value of c by comparing the expression under the square root in the quadratic formula, b squared minus 4ac, with the term under the square root in the given roots, 140. So we get b squared minus 4ac equals 140. We know the values of a and b. b is negative 14, a is 2, negative 14 squared is equal to positive 196, 4 times 2 is 8. We should isolate c on the left side of the equation. We should subtract 196 from both sides. (140 minus 196 is equal to negative 56). Next, we should divide both sides by negative 8. Negative 56 divided by negative 8 is equal to 7. So the value of c is 7. So we have found the values of a, b and c. We can use these values of a, b and c to write the quadratic equation. We can sub in these values in the general equation. I get 2x squared minus 14x plus 7 equal to 0. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.